So we have two different flatbreads today. This is a white rice flatbread, and this is a sweet potato flatbread. And they're both gluten-free, vegan, oil-free. And so I already put them together, and we have the recipes here that can be on the comment section of the website. So from the white rice flatbread mix up here, I just had it in here, and I just pulled a handful out, roughly this big, and just kind of covered it with some of the flour. And then this we can roll it out. You can squish it or roll it out, whatever you like. And you don't want to get it too thin, then it's harder to handle. So that's pretty decent. And let's see if I can pick it up here. I'm going to take this one over to the stove. And just going to get it right on there. And we'll leave it here also for a couple minutes. And you might have to push it down periodically. It might poof up here and there. We want to get it so it's browned up in a few spots, and then we know it's done. All right, I'll put this thing over. So we form a ball here. Maybe add a little flour to it. And then put it between these two pieces of parchment. And I'm just going to squish it with this smaller cutting board. The parchment paper is nice so it doesn't stick too hard to it. And there we have it. And then we can lift that off. If I can get it off okay. My tape's not working. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to take the whole thing over. I'm going to put it right on here. So it'll come off. There we go. Get it in the pot. Wasn't ideal, but that'll work for now. Make sure this was pre-warmed. Need to bump it up a little bit again. We're going to leave it there for a few minutes and come back and flip it.
To be aware of new videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the Preparing for the Time of Trouble channel. For more free videos and downloadable audio podcasts, as well as handouts, go to www.preparingforthetimeoftrouble.com. Topic categories include recordings of live seminar presentations, country living, sustainable gardening, homestead remedies, how to be self-sufficient when the grid goes down, wild edible and medicinal plants, hydrotherapy, and end-time Bible prophecies. To take advantage of these free resources, go to preparingforthetimeoftrouble.com.